Hello and welcome to my start of 2023, and I'm off out. I don't even know what the date is. Let's check the date. It is the 17th of March, Friday the 17th of March today, but I have been out for a few days. The questions I've been having through messages, text messages, phone calls, emails. Am I doing any events this year? Well, to be quite honest, the events have gone a little bit over the top on the price for me. I am a pensioner and I just can't afford to do these events. I do some of the events where I get invited, and the first one I'm going to will be the van life at Shrewsbury. I'm doing all the South Centrals, hoping to do all the South Centrals, which is a Facebook group. I will be doing those. There is one next weekend, so I shall be going to that one. But yes, the event at Shrewsbury. I'm just trying to find it on my list. I've got a fair list of events that I would have liked to have done, but all the prices against them, I'm looking at 1,500 quid if I want to be able to do all those events. So it's a no way. It's a no way. I have bought the tickets for the Van Love Fest at York at the airfield. Had I realised how much it was going to cost, I got somebody else to buy them for me and then paid her back. But had I realised how much that was going to be, would not have done it for one night. Would not have paid that much money for one night. So that one, that will be my last time I'm going to that one. But the first one that should be on the list, which I haven't had any response from emails or text messages through Facebook and what's the other ones I don't do, is the Stratford. There's 2 events at Stratford. I've done them for the last 3-4 years. They've been absolutely fantastic events. And again, normally I get invited, but all the people that normally run it aren't there, and they don't seem to contact anymore. So I'm undebated whether I'm doing that. I'm definitely not paying for it, not that sort of money. As I said, I just can't afford to do them all. So they've got to go. So most of my year this year will be wild camping and pub car parks. I am out now for the rest of the year. So I'm hoping to do the Stratford one. I will start emailing them again, and then I've want to do the one up at Willow Fields. Okay, I'm paying for that one. There's a camper van build show there, so I shall be going to that one, and all this data will be in the see more at the bottom of the video. There's a few here that I'm too late for and they're already booked, so I shan't mention them. The Van Life Festival, as I say, at Shrewsbury. Yes, I am doing that one. I've had the invite for that, so I shall be going to that. And I've also got a promo code for it, a discount code, which will come up across the screen just here. And I'll most probably put a link to the website in the top corner. So I shall be doing that one. It's a little bit expensive, but yeah, it's a first off on that one. It's the third one that used to be at Stratford, so they've moved to Shrewsbury, which is okay for me because I shall be up that end of the country. So I am going to be doing a lot of motorhomer events if I can. Well, I say a lot, 2 or 3 of them. The motorhomer.com. I'm in that group, and I shall be doing those. A lot of my videos last year were from these events. They're priced very reasonable. You know, more to my budget that I can afford to go to. So, and then that's it. And then there's another one in July of the van life at Newbury, van life festival at Newbury. Again, I've been told that I'm invited, but I've had no paperwork or promo code, so I shan't push that one until I know for definite whether I am going. You know, I'm not going to do free advertising if I ain't getting to get in. So, and that's it then. Again, in September, there's another Stratford. I'm hoping to get tickets for that. And if I can, I've just looked at my list now. And if I was to pay for them all, I'd be forking out £2,100. No way am I doing that for just a few days events on a weekend, 1 or 2 nights here and there. You know, it's cheaper to go onto a campsite. So I'm not doing campsites. I totally disagree with the prices of those. So anyway, that's all I can say. This is just a promo now for the Van Life Festival at Shrewsbury. Here's the logo and my promo code to let everybody know that they can get a 10% discount off their price, and I'll see you there if you're going. Thanks, and I'll see you about. Bye bye for now. Am I doing it that way round? I don't know. Let's put it together and have a look.